welcome back to my channel. Today is week 4 of the Halloween collab and I have made something that is Halloween-esque but not specifically my normal gothic grungy style. I kind of went pretty, and that is this skull. And originally this came from, I think, Dollar Tree. My sister-in-law gave it to me when I was visiting her in the States, and it was just this plain cream coloured plastic that you see inside. And I tried to make it into a brush holder for my makeup brushes a while back, and I had painted it with acrylic paint, but it didn't really work because whenever I would press on it, and it would move slightly, the paint would literally just peel off. So this time I used gesso, and on top of the white gesso I layered some gelatos, and I used them kind of like metallic rubs, and I just went over the surface just to bring out some of the details, and I used pinks and purples. You could literally use anything for that though. You could probably use just watercolours on your finger or a bit of distress ink. I just used gelatos because I had been making another project and it was literally just on my glass mat. So I just wanted to use it up. So yeah. And then last week I had gone through my jewellery stash and I'd got rid of loads of earrings and necklaces and bits. So you can see these were from earrings. That was an earring. This little spray here was an earring, and the other one's up there. That's the other part of the earring. There are some more. That was an earring. That little teardroppy shape. Yeah, there's quite a few different earrings on here. Oh, that gem that's right inside there, really deep, was an earring. It was quite a large one, which is why I put it inside the eye socket. And then that little flower there was an earring, and I just used lots of beads, lots of flat back gems from my stash that I wanted to use up. These pretty matte ones are from Tiger. These I've had in my stash for ages. I don't know where they came from, but I thought they were really pretty. This, I believe, was a Prima spray that I've also had in my stash forever. So yeah, I just basically pulled out my beads and my embellishment drawers in pink and purple and just went to town decorating it, and it was really fun. The most time consuming part was placing all of the beads and waiting for it to dry. I used multi-matte medium. It gave me a little bit of wiggle room when I was trying to cluster them, and I wanted to get everything quite close together, and yeah, I think it worked out really well. Oh, and the other thing that I found handy when I was doing it was this cocktail stick, because I could like get into all the nooks and crannies and just move things slightly. It was really handy. The other thing I used was my quick sticks tool. Oh, it's called a Pick Me Up by Silhouette, and yeah, I used the I always do that. Does anyone else always do that? I used the Pick Me Up bit to pick up the tiny little gems, and I used this point as well, although the cocktail stick was slightly smaller. But yeah, they were both handy. Oh, and a little crafty hack for you all. If you find that your glue bottle gets clogged, just put in a few drops of water, shake it up, and I've found that I've never had my bottle clog. The other thing I do when I've finished making is I wipe off anything off the top, I squeeze it a few times, and then if there's any glue that comes up, I wipe that away. I squeeze it again till only air's coming out. I tap it, and then I put my lid back on top, and again that just helps make sure that there's no glue in the little stem, and then it's ready to go for next time. I don't know what else to say about it really. If anyone else wants to ask me any questions about it, then feel free to leave me a comment and I'll try and get back to you. I'm going to get some of the beads that you can get in, well, you used to be able to buy them in pound wells. You just fill them up and you use them for standing up your brushes. So I'm going to get some of those so it has some weight and it doesn't topple over when I put brushes in. But other than that, that's my project that I want to share. Okay, so I just wanted to say thank you for watching, and this is a collab, so the other collab members will be in the description box below. Please go and check them out. They've all made really lovely projects every week so far, and it's been really inspiring to see what they've been making, and it's been giving me ideas for projects that I'd quite like to do later on. And yeah, thank you for your time. Bye! 50 awesome points to everybody who got this far in the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can find out when I release new videos. And there are a couple of videos here for your delectation if you so desire.